Hey everyone, it's Phil here and thanks for watching Sydney Trains Vlogs. I'm currently at Seven Hills. It's currently the morning peak, 7:45 a.m. Just thought I would jump off here and see what trains we can get. To start off with, we have Series 2 Waratah set B27 on a service to Penrith. After here it'll stop at Blacktown, then all stations to Penrith. On the way here I passed an M set as well, so that M set should arrive soonish on platform 4. Gordon service, platform 2, Waratah A3.
Does not stop at this platform. Please stand behind the yellow line. Please stand clear.
Apparently the next train on 3 doesn't stop, so we'll head up here to get that coming through. Random fun fact for you all, A3 is the first Waratah to ever enter service. Thought I saw a reflection of another train in the windows of that Waratah. Oh, yep, there we go. There is the M set. It's either headed to Blacktown or Schofields, one of the two. It's just a 4-car set. Desto says Blacktown, M set, number 17. There's a Gordon service arriving on platform 1, Waratah set A22. Oh sweet, we have the Dubbo XPT about to pass. Completely forgot about that. If you remember a couple of videos ago, it was a St. Peter's video that XPT might have actually been one of the units that passed through. VSAT from the mountains through platform 2. And a VSAT just passed platform 3, headed up the mountain. Lindfield service into platform 2. A13. Very full for trains headed into the city, which is of course to be expected in the morning peak. And on the Western Line in the afternoon peak, trains in the city aren't as busy, but the trains away from the city are jam-packed. It's a little bit chilly this morning. The day before yesterday was so hot it reached nearly 40 degrees. Yesterday was a bit cooler, and today is much cooler. It's actually got a little bit of a chill. And that is Phil's weather channel. I'm kidding. And there's a train headed into platform number 1 now. I don't know if it's Lindfield or Gordon service, but either way, it's headed to one of those locations or destinations. A51. Lindfield, it's another Lindfield train. So one will most likely be more express than the other to sort of space them apart. Otherwise, they'll be pretty well arriving at Lindfield at the same time. The train I'll be getting on will be arriving soon. That'll be a Penrith service. So what I'm guessing is a lot of these people just actually jumped off here at Seven Hills waiting for a train headed the same way. It'll most likely be because this Waratah is express, and some of these people might be wanting to go to some of the stations between the skipped stops, if that makes any sense. And the train that's approaching will be mine. So I'll do the wrap-up process now. So thanks for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share the video, all that good stuff, and I'll see you very soon. I have A16.
This station is Seven Hills.